waiting a little bit.
Good morning, traders. How's everyone doing? Market is open. We are 1 minute in already here. I would like one moment. Trying to get some stuff set up here. Bear with me. All right, so we had unemployment and PPI. Wasn't very eventful. I mean, it was kind of. I placed a trade, but I got popped out. Wasn't a good one, so no big deal. I didn't blow any accounts on it, which is good. Lost about $200 on each account. So anyway, see what we can get out of the market today. I guess my mic's been muted. Didn't realize. But what's up, Andrew? Hope you're doing well. Looks this morning I placed a trade and got on the phone, got a little busy, forgot all about it. It was my evals. I haven't traded my funded yet. And yeah, hit my drawdown of $1,200 on a couple. And let's see. I need to take profit trader. 2712. The other one's passed. I just got to flip micros for a little while.
Order filled.
What is my stop loss setting set up? Jeez. Pump back up, baby.
Order filled.
Nice little bull flag popping out here. Could be overextended though, so I wanted to get out of this trade quickly. Didn't work out. Let's see. Come on, Nasdaq. Push it back up. You got it. You got it. You can do it. If we lose the trade, no big deal. It's just an eval. Doesn't look like we're going to get much off of it.
Stop filled.
A couple $100 maybe. Whatever that was. Shows. Yeah, like a couple hundred. Not bad, not bad. We're kind of at the top of the range here, so I'm kind of iffy about placing any more trades. Just trading evals. 5 funded accounts ready to go. Just gotta find my setup. 2712. Get my accounts over here ready for copy trading. Apex 106. Apex 106. Not looking too good on that one. Let me just check my drawdown. Ooh, that was loud. All right, 107's blown. 49, 5. 106 doesn't have far to go. We have 2 PAs. Let's go with 106 and take profit trader here. TDY 29. Can't trade that. Our live account should have some funds in it today, hopefully. 106 and take profit. All right. Not sure what to trade at the moment. Just chilling. Got to find a decent setup here. What's going on in my Discord here? Vlad, welcome, Vlad. I've got these bots on here: Elon Musk, Barack Obama, and Donald Trump. And it's pretty funny. I mean, when new members join, they'll send a message saying, hey. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I thought so anyway. All right, looks like the market's trying to push. So what do we do? Make sure you hit that like button. Thank you, thank you. Awesome. Our live account is now sitting at 500. It just flipped over. Nice. So now we can trade live on micros. I'm going to wait for a nice setup and trade live. So that's going to be cool. Finally. It took forever for that wire transfer to go through. So let me just pull up NinjaTrader. Make sure there's nothing visible that can cause me problems. All right, so this is a brand new NinjaTrader live account. $500 in equity, 0 open PL. We have no history at all. So, I mean, prior, I don't know if you can, let's see, all. Did we ever have a history? 12, 11. I guess I traded a little bit. I use TradeStation, so I wasn't a fan of NinjaTrader when I first started trading futures. So you can probably see I got in and got out. But now we're up total 100. It should be 400 or 500. Anyway, we've never achieved anything. We've never traded this account. And yeah, so $500, brand new account. I'm going to try to build it up. Small account challenge. Wonder why it doesn't show 500 on total amount. It's all good. Whatever. So, how's everyone doing? Bear with me one moment. Just waiting for a setup. Today's news wasn't that great. I think we have more coming though. Let's see. No. Friday we have prelim UOM consumer sentiment. From my phone. Somebody outside. Today's my wife's birthday, by the way, so can't be here long trading. Nice little cross there. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. Love seeing those crosses. Honestly, the market open is just real slow. Doesn't look like we're going to get much today. What a shame. I hate slow days, man. I just want to make some money. But I don't want to trade in a bunch of junk. So when it's moving too slow like this, I can't trade. Happy birthday. Market's moving way too slow. I wish it would just like do something. May not be able to get a trade in today. Hopefully we can, but if not, whatever. At least we didn't lose any money. And yeah, I'm trading five funded accounts today, hopefully, and a live with $500 in it. Small account challenge. Still no serious movement. It's like, wow. We had good news on our 8:30 news today. Numbers look good. Take the house. Got to figure out what's going on outside of my shop here. Hearing a bunch of noise, banging noise. Don't see anything. Yeah, it doesn't look like we're going to get much. I'd like to see some movement, and I'm not seeing that at the moment. Eager to trade my live account. I don't know. I don't think we can trade any minis. I don't want to take a chance anyway. We may be able to trade some minis, but I'm going to start with micros and build it up to a few thousand, and then we'll go from there. I love these little Elon, Barack Obama, and Donald Trump bots. Lad. Oh, it's Vald. Vald. Welcome, Jick and Vald. However you say that. All right, now bit of reaction here. It's just still moving slow though. Could take a buy. Let's
Order
try it. Let's see.
submitted.
Filled.
Why is that so loud? Turn the volume down a little bit here. Yeah, let's take a buy here and just scale in a little bit. We're trading our eval, so it's not gonna hurt us to take any huge losses. All right, we made like $500 on that trade. Just trading the pullback. Nice. Thought I was copy trading though. What's accounts? 106 and take profit trader. 106. Oh yeah, I kind of lost a little bit of money on that one. Try it again. Let's see what we get out of her. Keep it at the bottom of the wick here. Not looking for too much. Just want to trade this pullbacks. Good morning, Pips. How you doing, bud? Just trading evals. I've got a few funded accounts to trade, but I'm really not interested in the market. I'm only going to trade my A+ setups from here on out on my funded accounts. Trying to add more to it. How's your day so far, Pips? Making any money? Taking any trades yet? Today is my wife's birthday, so I have to get home within the next hour or two. I can't leave her at the house. We got to get out and do some stuff, have some fun. That's the goal anyway. Weather looks pretty good, so I think we're gonna have a good day. Well, it's supposed to rain a little bit later, but we'll see. All right, I'm gonna buy this again, expecting it to retrace a little more. And don't forget, I'm literally just trading evals. A few $100s here and there, maybe. Nice. What was that, like $200 or $300? I'll take it. Kind of busy past 2 days. Haven't traded today. Pips and ticks. Yeah, man. Same here. Yesterday I traded the news. I traded a little bit outside of that, and that was it. I was out. I just couldn't trade much. I had a lot of stuff to do. Is this going to keep pushing up or what? What are we going to... I mean, we have 19 seconds left of this candle. I'd like to see what happens at the end, last few seconds. If it's going to rush down. I'm hoping it's a long wick. And I'm trading the 15-minute, by the way. Check out the 5 real quick. Yeah, it's a wiki wick. Let's get in again. Well, give it to the bottom of that wick, and let's wait. I put in a second contract here. I feel like I have to keep reminding everyone I am literally trading evals. I have quite a few funded accounts, but the market hasn't given me a setup yet. So I'm literally just trading pullbacks, trying to score a little bit in the market for these evals. I want to build up my evals, or build up my funded accounts. Looking for base hits. Nothing serious. I'd like for this to come up to the highs up here. I think we can. I've been getting like $200 or so every trade, so. How's that eval you won, Pips, that I gave you from Apex? Did you pass it yet? Might get in another contract if it pops down a little more. Might as well just do it. Let's go. 3 contracts long. Again, evals. Looking for a few $100. There we are. We got our 3. Can we go for more? I guess not. It's not looking very strong to the upside, so guess I'll jump out as soon as it hits over here somewhere. Take our 250 and run.
Stop filled.
All right, so far evals were up $800. I trade my evals pretty aggressively. I kind of churn and burn them. I'll reset 5 times a day or more, depending on what the market gives. Pips and ticks. Apex blown. That sucks, man. But no worries. You're a good trader. You can bounce back. I've literally had to stop streaming my trades just to get myself back into a good headspace. Before I started live streaming, I was banking hard. And then I get on live stream and all of a sudden my strategies change and my mental changes. It's just not good. So here I am with a better mindset, better discipline, trading the way I'm supposed to.
Order submitted.
I wonder how far it's going to come down. It doesn't look like it wants to. I blow accounts every day, Pips. And I'm sure you know that. What are you trading right now? Any specific firm? Let me take this call real quick. So sick of spam calls, man. Spam calls all day, every day. Yeah, it looked like it wanted to come up. Should have popped in, but no biggie. If it comes back down, we'll jump in. Check out the 5-minute real quick. Oh, yeah, we're getting in.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Nice rejection down here. Doesn't mean it won't come down, but it's looking pretty good to the upside. And we also have rejection at the top of this doji here, so I don't know. I feel like it looks pretty good to the upside, but I could be wrong. It's an aggressive trade, but I kind of like the rejection. Twice Yeah. So this is how many points? Let's see, 57, 40. So a little more than 10 points. Pop in another one here.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Three contracts long. I hope it retraces this wick to the highs here. If it does, I'm out. Wouldn't mind it getting in the fourth contract either. Come on, Nazi. Give me a few $100. All right, I'm out. I'm going to take it there. We're up 1,075 on this eval. Building back our deficit on the Apex eval. Apex 106. Should have stayed in, though. Look at that. Rocking up to the moon there. Ha! Ow. Too late to enter now, right? FOMO is real. I like seeing stuff like that. Man, it just blows my mind. I should have stayed in. It's funny. All right, so we need another $1,100 on this take profit trader account to pass. We're pretty much passed. I just gotta, let me just double check here. 2712, 2712. Yeah, we just need a few $100 for today's trading, and then tomorrow we'll finish it off. Nice little pop to the upside. Are we going to go further? Kind of at a key area, the 600 range. Sorry, the 900 range here. If we can blow past this 900 and shoot for 925, we might hit 950, 975. My camera's off. I focus on the charts, not the camera. Looks like a nice little leg up. Sorry, just checking something here. Nice new subscriber, whoever you are. Welcome in. Excited to have you. Just as a heads up, we are only trading evals at the moment. I do have a bunch of funded accounts, but the market's not really moving like I want. I'm waiting for an A+ setup. Something I would consider an A+ setup would be a long wick rejection like this right here, and then boom to the upside. Just waiting, patient. That's the hardest part in the market, just waiting, right? I feel like we're going to reach the 22,000s again. Anyone else agree with that? I feel like it's possible if my mic would cooperate. Bear with me one moment. I want it where I want it. All right. Good. Still waiting. Is this going to work? It's like it just slowly popping down. I've tightened it up. I'm trading this TradingView challenge. It's called The Leap, and I'm currently in it. I was up like 10 grand, and I started doing stuff and forgot about it, and now I'm down 10 grand. And yeah, so I'm gonna hang on to this trade that I'm up $1,500 on a trade now, and I'm hoping we can hit our hype day. I'm gonna let it run until it hits take profit. But you can see I'm down 10,000. I don't know if you can see it or not, but let's see. Yeah, now you can. 10,000. I was up 10,000, but it is what it is. Nice pump to the upside. Looks like it's going to keep going. Now we're up $2,500. Well, $2,200. Let's do it. Screw it. Maybe we'll catch the next pump to the upside. Second contract scale in. Don't do me dirty, Nasdaq. Now we're up 3,000 on this trade over here. Looking good. It's a paper trading account, but I guess you can win a bunch of stuff. I don't know. I just want to see my name on the leaderboard. That's the goal. I don't care about the prizes. It's just something fun to do. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. And also don't forget Apex 80% off. Use code JSDT. Day traders 90% off. Link in the description. I'm gonna buy one more here. Dollar cost average. We are trading an eval, so I'm not too worried about losses. Right now I'm waiting for my setup to trade my funded accounts. 3 contracts long. We have blown past this key level, the 900 range, so I think we're going to keep going. But I could be wrong. We'll see. Can't wait to trade my live account. We have $500 available. Brand new live account. Kind of weak. Doesn't want to go down or up. Nice pump to the upside. Maybe we can pass this eval with this trade. We need... Well, we can't actually. We can only get a few $100s on this.
Order canceled.
We're pretty much at our limit. We're still in on that trade over there. Oops.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right. We can make another 100, 200 bucks on this take profit trader. This Apex account, though, it can pass all the way. So go ahead and buy back in at this low. Push, push, push. If it goes below the wick here, I'm not interested.
Order
Alright.
canceled.
No biggie. We can make another 300 bucks on this account. Little rejection here, so it could still do the same thing as this one. Rejection and then boom to the upside. We're kind of at a key level still. It hasn't blown past it anyway. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This little area here. Kind of at that area. So I want to see it blow past this and then this area and this area. Yesterday's high would be nice target. Actually, I want to move my target to yesterday's high. I'm going to be in this trade for a while. Maybe even a couple days. We'll see. We're up $2,500 on that trade, so looking good, looking good. I can't believe we've hit 151 subscribers. It's just pretty awesome. Appreciate all the support, everyone. Like, really. I'm not the best trader in the world, but I do profit, and I do a very good job. Live streaming, I don't do so good. It's kind of awkward just talking to yourself. I don't have enough followers to ask a bunch of questions or, engaging topics. All right, so we could come down, but I think we're going to go up more. If this breaks below here, I'm not going to trade long. If it closes below it. I'm going to wait for a stronger pullback, more like this right here. We have 3 minutes left on that. Let's check out the 1 minute. I haven't looked at the 1 minute in a while. Oh yeah, we're barcoding to go further to the upside. Let's just test that theory. And I'll DCA one here, DCA one here. Switch back over to the 5 minute and watch what happens. Kind of bull flagging. Beautiful cross. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. Love it when I see a cross. It's amazing. Anyone doing anything this week? Anything special coming up? Like a trip or whatever, anything. How's life? All right, nice push to the upside. Hopefully we get past all this right here. I think we're going to pop pretty high, so nice. I can only make a few $100, so I got to be careful. All right, we're at $1,400 on that account almost, so I have to stop trading to take profit. I need to switch over to my Apex only. 106. I need to get some more evals, don't I? Let's just do that. Let me just check real quick. Pop in a few more evals, and we're going to go with Tradeify. Let's see, Tradeify. 38 and 37. Still barcoding over here. Yeah, it's going to collect some liquidity and then pop back up. Which one was that? 37. 38. Just go back to trade 37, 38. Let's get it. Reset. Confirm. Boom. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put a buy order in just to wait while I reset another one. Buy reset, buy credit. Pop. Oh, that's going to pop down against me pretty hard, isn't it? Buy one more, just in case. 37, 38. Nice move to the upside. 37 is reset. Come on, baby. Push. You know you want to go up. Kind of at that area of resistance here. So it broke down below, which kind of scared me a little bit, but Popped in another one just to see if it goes up and help with the profits, total profits. All right, so our accounts are all reset. We're good to go. Let's make some money. It's not copy trading. Why? We're on Apex. That's why. I need to make Apex my leader. 106. Buy.
Order
rejected.
What happened here? I'm ready to buy.
Order submitted.
All right, we're copy trading, but we're not copy trading our 37, Apex 106. Nice movement. I like that. I need to see more of that. Come on, baby. Push up.
Order submitted.
There we go.
Order canceled.
All right, we're out of that.
Order failed.
Let me just check my accounts here. TDY 37, TDY 38, day profit. I can't trade that one. 37, 38, and Apex 106. We're all set, looks like. Trading the 1 minute chart now. She looks like she's pretty bullish, if you ask me. Let's check out the 5 minute again here. Yeah, we're super bullish.
Order submitted.
Looking good, looking good. Let's make some money, boys. Just kidding. About the dance part. Pop, baby, pop. Keep going. Strong rejection to the downside here, but we still have rejection up here. I feel like we're going to push to the upside, but doesn't mean we will. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button. I sure appreciate it. Helps move this out to more people. We are just trading evals currently. I do have a bunch of funded accounts. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 funded accounts, and I'm about to pass 6 total because I have one pass. I'm just flipping at the moment. Nice movement. Come on, let's go. Need to get in a second contract here.
Order submitted.
Get rid of this.
Order canceled.
Kind of barcoding on the 1 minute, but I feel like we have to break. It's either going to break down or break up, and I'm leaning towards the upside, so that's why my trades are the way they are.
Order failed.
Get in another DCA here.
Order submitted.
If we can get up into here and make a few $100, I'll be happy, but I kind of want to hold for a lot longer if I can mentally do it. That's the hardest part. I like the movement, though. We are kind of moving now, so that's good. got to go one direction or the other, and it looks like it's going up. Come on, Nasdaq, let's go. Keep pumping. It's like the bears won't let it go up. As soon as it pops, it just drops. What's that song? Pop, lock, and drop it. All right, so we're starting to see a little bit more push to the upside. That's good. Next leg up. If it comes down, hits my new order here, that'd be great. But otherwise, I'd like for it to just pop up. That'd be fine too. Literally nothing. Just up and down. You know, we could just take our profits and trade the chop, but I don't want to miss the move to the upside. I feel like that's what's going to happen. I posted in the Discord, come say hey in the live, and then Elon Musk responded, sounds like a good time. Let's chat about space and rockets while we're at it. To the moon. All right, so are we going to reject again, or what are we doing here? Ideally, I don't like the size of this candle. Ideally, though, it will reject around the 21 EMA here and push back up. Continue this barcode. I'm going to buy another one if it goes any lower. All right, lost that, so. Come on, Nasdaq. I don't like this action here, though. It needs to pop. Let's check out the 5-minute real quick. Still have a minute, 21 seconds. Hopefully it ends up doing the same, or as Elon would say, to the moon. Come on, baby. You can do it. I got faith in you. I'm really confident in this trade, like super confident. We're probably going to make $500 on this trade if we can just pump up a little more. Just a little more. Or more. All right, there it is. Come on. Knock it out. Push it up, bear bulls. Push it up, push it up. We were at the 600 mark for a second. There we go. Keep pushing. I'm going to go ahead and
Stop filled.
take some profits. I was. Ah, come on. Just a little more, Nasdaq. I'll get rid of one contract on the pop there.
Stop filled.
And why is that only two? She really wants to go up. She really wants to go up. Watch. Just watch. It's got to. There's no other choice.
Order filled.
Where's my stop loss now? Come on, NinjaTrader. Y'all got to work on this. See what I mean? It's just up and down right here, barcoding. I love these trades. Not enough to trade funded, but yeah, I like them for evals. Pop yourself a few $100, $500, $600, $700 or more. If it could just break, to the upside. We're 4 contracts long. If I can see that 600 number again, I might pop it out.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Stop filled.
Let's go ahead and close it. Nice push to the upside.
Filled. Order filled.
What's going on here? All right. Apex 106. Are we still on that one? Yeah. See what I mean, though? We could have made even more money, too. But I knew it was going to pop. It has to. Whenever you see this stuff right here coming from an upward, a huge momentum to the upside, and then starts barcoding, it's like, boom. It's like a barcode bull flag. I'll coin that term, barcode bull flag. Look at that. We could have made $1,000 on this trade. But the good thing is we are up around $500 to $1,300 on each account. So we are sitting pretty good. Let's see. We need $700 on Apex 106 to pass. I don't want to get in just yet because I want to see what happens. So wait for a little bit more price action before I enter again. Could be at the top. Who knows? All right. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Thank you. 4 people watching right now, so I'm sure one of you hasn't liked it, right? Well, we have 4 likes, so maybe you have. All right, I've been streaming for about an hour. I'm going to stay on a little bit longer just because we're trading evals. Thank you for your sacrifice. We have 3 crosses here. It's amazing. I'm going to eat a little snack while we wait for the movement of the market. Steady climb to the upside. We're going to hit that 22,000 right here. I'm up $5,000 on this trade too, by the way. 5K. It's comeback time. I'm going to go ahead and put my stop loss up in here, so just in case it pops back. We can get back in if we need to. We'll make $4,500 guaranteed on this trade. This one here. And we're out. Trade some more on it here in a little while. If I get myself on the leaderboard, I'll show it off on another live stream. So far, the leaderboard is this smallest amount of 44,000. That shouldn't be hard to do. Thanks for the love. All right. Starting to move slow again. Not a fan. The market looks so good to the upside. It's ridiculous. The 1 hour, look at that big green bar on the 1 hour. Huge. ES is pumping too. What's gold looking like? Gold is pumping. looks like the rest of the charts. Slow grind up, boys. Slow grind up. What time is it? 10:49. It's about that time. Jick said, good, just copy the trades on now up, lots unfunded. That's good, man. I don't recommend copying my trades, however. You do so at your own risk. These are evals, so. I'm far from a financial advisor. But I'm glad you profited from copying my trades. That's cool. Good to hear. Make sure you like the stream too. Why doesn't it show all of my... Okay, it does. One other thing, Jick. The problem with copying trades on a YouTube platform here is there's a delay. Sometimes that delay will work in your favor, but not always. All right, I'm going to buy this pullback just because it's kind of slow to the downside. Set my stop loss down in here. If it pops down in here, I'll get another entry in.
Order submitted.
Going to go grab a drink. I'll be right back. Guaranteed to win on this trade. Let's go ahead and get it out. Wow.
Order filled.
I hate when my copier doesn't exit all positions. Kind of sucks. I'm going to start looking at the Replicanto or the other one. Mic was muted. Not really much we can trade right now because the trend is just up. But we'll take a couple $100 on this trade maybe. We'll see. Take our first live trade. How about that? Just buy 1 micro and stop loss.
Order filled. Order submitted.
All right, we're in our first contract on the live account. We're not looking for a lot of profits, just 10, 20 bucks here and there.
Order canceled.
And we're up. We're up 245 on the other. What is it, 107 maybe? Apex 106. Oh, it's we're in micros here. Got to push back here. We're up $300, $400. Nice, nice, nice. Get that a little closer. All right, we're out of that trade. All right, so far today, we are up a few $1,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4, about $4,500, give or take. And our live account, which is this one right here, we've made $5.68. Just gonna slowly build that up. I'm not trying to push that too hard. But good news is we took our first trade on the live account. That's awesome. Very happy about it. Should have stayed in this a little longer. On the live, we're at $505, so we can't really trade much. We have to slowly build that up with some base hits, 10, 20 bucks at a time. Or more. I mean, you can definitely get more out of it. I really want to see a nice pump. Could have sworn we made $10 on that trade, but it is what it is. Probably fees. All right, it looks like it wants to hit up, so let's jump in.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
Nice, nice, nice. Hit it again. Hit it again. You know you wanna. All right, I'm gonna just pop out there. Let's see, give me more. I'll take more.
Order
Stop
canceled.
filled.
All right. Yeah, I definitely wanted to pop up, so I'm glad we got it. She's still ripping up. That's awesome. If you got any long down here, let me know. Hopefully worked out for you. We could have made quite a bit, probably like 50 bucks on this trade if we would have stayed in with our micro position on our live account. I'm not going to jump in here. I just want to wait for a little bit of rejection or a nice pullback, something like that. Switch over to the 1 minute and check it out real quick. Getting a little bit of a pullback on the 1 minute. If it comes down a little more, might pop in. Let's see. Yes, sir. Yep. Mm-hmm. It's 29, you said? Let me pull it up real quick. Xena. One second. I don't think this is the one. No, it's good. The 129 Hancock is still good. I'm positive. She emailed me 2 days ago telling me that I need to change her contact information. So, because she's retiring. Yeah, this one's good. It's another one. So, all right, brother. See you. Ben Lynn, how you doing, man? Welcome back. How's everything going, sir? We made our first live trade on our live account, the live NinjaTrader. We made $5.68. Small win, but you know, a win's a win, right? I wanted my first trade to be a nice winner, regardless of the amount. Make sure you hit that like button, guys. Thank you, thank you. And if you're not subscribed, why not? Yeah, I'm green all over. Yesterday I was really green too. I haven't traded any funded accounts today yet, though, so these are all evals. Are you green too, sir? Don't forget daytraders.com. They have Project X, and it's 90% off. He didn't take any trades. It's better to not take trades than to lose them. All right, got a nice little rejection here. I might take a buy here. This is on the live account. Limit my risk to the bottom of that wick. We're just one contract long. And we're trading the 1 minute chart, so not something I'm too used to, but we'll see.
Order filled.
2 contracts long. Need to see a pop or I'm out. Come on, Nasdaq, give it to me. Nice green candle. All right, we're gonna start trailing pretty tight. All right, we're up 1504 on the account. Love it. Close it, green, green, green. Yes, sir. Finally started the live challenge. I'm not trading much on it. I'm just taking my entries here. This is a nice rejection to the upside, so could come down though. We're on the 1 minute chart, so I'm only looking for a point or two, not much. I'm gonna switch back over to the 15 though and see what we have going on here. All right, I don't like the number 6, so we need someone to unlike the video or add a like. Let's make it 7. All right, now it's 7. That's good. Thanks, whoever did that. Appreciate it. How's that 1 minute chart looking? Yeah, I'm glad we got out. Another rejection though, so kind of makes me want to jump in. See what this candle does. 5 seconds left. Bears or bulls? I'm staying out. We're up $15 for the day on actual real money. Go us. Starting to get a little more movement, which is good. P&L's looking pretty tight. Charge my phone. I'm not a huge fan of the 1 minute chart. I like the higher time frames, 15, 30, and 5. 30 minutes having a nice rejection to the upside, so we might start seeing some downward momentum. Check out the 15. Yeah, how many points is this rejection? 48. 30 points. Yeah, we're coming down probably. I'll wait for a nice little retrace to this area and then probably take a short position. And I'm going to do that with my funded. Let's go with trade of 14. All right, one contract short. Oh, we're in micros. Didn't realize. That's okay. I'll just take another position. I always forget my mic is muted. I'm the worst live streamer in the world. All right, looking weak to the downside. We're going to pop up. What are we doing here? Back to the 15. I'm going to measure this real quick. All right, 14 ticks. That would have been a nice push to the downside to get in. Range bound, Andrew. I don't know about that. I feel like we're still kind of pushing to the upside. I think we're going to hit the 22,000 number. If we can, that'd be great. If not, the market makes its own decision, doesn't it? It's an ugly candle to the downside, though. If it can reject on these wicks, or if it can reject on these EMAs, that'll be a good sign to the upside as well. And if this candle's a long wick, I'm jumping in. It's not looking good for bulls, though, for sure. Five minutes left on this candle. Mike, P&L is looking good. Yes, sir. Thank you. Made our first live trade, too, with live funds. We are up $15.04. A lot of money, man. A lot of money, Mike. What I could do with $15. Traded some micros. Took a small risk. Nothing huge. My other funded account, we're up $6.36. What am I going to do with all this money? My setup hasn't really popped except for one time, and then I missed it, so didn't take any trades on funded accounts. Not yet. Took one small micro. I was in micros by accident. I should have been in minis. I trade copy trading and one at a time. It just depends on how the market's playing out. Just depends on the market. I'd rather be careful. Copy trading is very risky in itself, but I do it. We all do it, I guess. The news today we had at 8:30 was pretty good news. Wasn't sour. So the market's just going to be slow and work its way up, I think. I want to see that 22,000 push. Most importantly, I want to wait and see what the candles give. All right, guys, today's my wife's birthday, and she has summoned. I have to pop off. Make sure you say happy birthday in the chat. I'll make sure she sees it all. And, yeah, I'm going to end this stream here in about 2 seconds. But we've had a good day. We've traded live. We've traded funded. We've traded a lot of evals. I didn't take as much risk today as I normally would, but I'd rather have a green day than a bad day. So anyway, I hope you guys have a blessed evening. And, yeah, peace.